my girlfriend ended up crashing my car. Now, it's not something I say lightly. At the time I was upset, but I didn't really know why I was upset. Because I know that accidents happen, but I was still upset. And I think I was obsessed with a material item, which was my car. And I think that I was telling myself I had to be upset. Over something that could easily be fixed. I ended up fixing my car with my dad and my girlfriend, and I wouldn't take this back for anything. As a matter of fact, I enjoyed this process. I enjoyed picking out paint. I enjoyed going to shops, and it taught me to enjoy the little things. I enjoyed talking with my dad, and I enjoyed spending time with my girlfriend.